Hi guys, I am Fiona. This video mainly explains the steps to replace the fuse of the heating brick for EPS underfloor insulation panel thermoforming machine. First, there is no need to adjust the voltage of the heating brick when replacing the fuse. 2. Remove the plastic protective cover to reveal the 10A fuse inside. 3. Locate the fuse corresponding to the damaged heating brick and manually replace it. For more information on the EPS machine and EPS mold, PLS contact us by email or mobile. We will be happy to answer your questions.